Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 20th, and this is my PM recap video of the Euro US dollar on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely check out my free Discord trading community. Link down here in the corner at the end of the video and in the description. If you'd like to check out my website, it's fxpipcollector.com. Get you access to all the benefits listed below and more. So anyways, if you've been following along with my videos, then you definitely probably are in a pretty nice trade right now. I know we're in some pretty nice trades. I said this morning, if we get a nice break and hold above structure, it's probably going to make for a pretty nice long. I said it looks like it potentially should make a wave B, but because I think we're in a wave 3 on the higher time frames, it's actually more likely it's just going to keep on going, which is definitely what I'm sticking to. Now we have our Fibonacci retracement out here, just to show us that it did close well above the 78%, which tells me that that is not a correction to the last wave down, but most likely the continuation of the higher time frame wave 3. My target for this wave 3 is very, very high, all the way up to about the 1.72 area, so 1.072 area. So definitely very, very bullish for sure. So we'll be looking for logs in an uptrend at the end of pullbacks probably for quite some time. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.